Hey guys, welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to record your screen on your iPhone. iPhone also provides a feature that will let you record your microphone while you're recording your screen at the same time. This tutorial will be really easy and simple, so watch the video until the end. The first thing we need to do is to add controls on our control panel settings, and to do that, go to Settings, and look for Control Center, which is right here. And now, find screen recording here and then tap on the green plus button. As you can see, I already have it here. And if you tap on the green plus button, it will turn into a red minus button. So just go back home and scroll down to go to panel settings, and this is the recording icon. As you can see, I'm recording right now. And if you hold on it, as you can see, the microphone is on. That's how you can hear me right now. So that's how you can record your voice and your screen on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments or suggestions, feel free to comment down below.